So earlier we had a discussion about how to create a sequential file. Once you create a sequential file, for example, here I have a file. The file name is number.dat, where I have entered the value 10, 12, 16, 20, 24. Then finally we have a end of file. This file we have been created earlier with the data of 10, 12, 16, 20, 24. Finally we have an end of file. With help of this file, we are going to do the very, very important operation like reading and also searching the data with the help of the sequential file. So first I will take reading, then I will take searching. For reading, what should we do then? So for reading, we should have a file with the data. That means already we have created earlier. Then suppose that file having a data as a number, then we have to use the following step for reading a values. For example, the reading involves the first point, that is nothing but open a file. We have to open the file, the number.date, we have to open again using file open operation, where the mode is not writing mode. Here the mode is reading mode. For example, I will write again here file open, then name of the file, okay, then comma. Here we have to use R. Earlier we have used W, that means writing mode. Now I have been used R, that is nothing but reading mode, because we have operation of reading. Okay, so we have to use like this. We have to open a file. Then we have to read your data one by one with the help of this file. The name of the file is number.date. Okay, how to read? We have one important operation, that is nothing but get W. Using this function, we have to get the data one by one. Once you have this operation, automatically pointer will be there in the first value. Then it has to get the value through the get W. This is a file operation. W meant for only the number data, not in a character data. If it is number which was there in the file, we have to use get W for reading the data one by one. Then what it will do, it will get the value of 10 first, 12, 16 until other than end of file. This will be happening. So once you done it, finally we have to close the file. Meanwhile, this step is going to be repeated again and again until the end of the file. The same process I will explain with the illustration, that is nothing but flow chart for your understanding purpose. Okay, so the first step we have to start, okay, very well. Then we have to open a file, that is the first step. Okay, so once you open it, then we have to read the data. So again I will write the code for your understanding simultaneously. For example, open a file here, so we have to write a file pointer. This is the file pointer variable creation. Then we have to use ptr is equal to file open, then name of the file, that is nothing but number.date, then comma, mode is read mode. This is the open file. So once you open it, okay, so automatically pointer will be there in the here. This is a file we have opened over here. Okay, then what will happen? Next we have to read the data. For that, what is the condition? End of file. So we must write while not equal to end of file operation. Not equal to file end of file operation. Then we have to open it. Then what will happen? So it has to be checked the first value. That value is not end of file. Value is 10. Then automatically this will be true. Then get inside. What will happen? We have to get the data from the file through the function of get W. That has to be stored in the place of any one of the variable. For example, A. That must be here declared int A. Okay, so this value what you get from the file, that is going stored in the place of A. For example, here A is equal to 10 as per the first value. Understand? Then what will happen? Then we have to write the data using a printf here percentage d comma here I can be write a. Okay, then close it. Automatically what value you get from the file, that is going to be stored in the place of a, that is going to be printed on the console. This is nothing but console. Okay, this is nothing but console. Here the first value is going to be printed as per this statement. Okay, so this is nothing but write down consoles. We are reading data from the file through the function of w. Once you read the data, that data has to be write on the console through the statement of printf percentage d a. Then what will happen? Again, going back to the here while condition, that is nothing but here I have drawn the direction symbol. Then what will happen? Again check. Move this next value. That means pointer is moved into next value 12. Again it check. Not end of file. Then it will write on the console. Again it read the value 16. Again write on the console. Then again read the value 20. Write on the console. Finally last value 24. After writing, while pointer is moving to the end of file, that time this condition will be false. Then come out. Then after that, what we should do? We have to close the file. Then for that file close, then we have to use pointer. Then close the program. This is nothing but the flow chart for the reading a sequential